Section 1. Introduction: The Electric Revolution. In Egypt? Right, let's get one thing straight. When you think of Egypt, you probably picture pyramids, sand, and relentless heat, not electric cars. Yet something is stirring in the land of the pharaohs, a quiet, battery-powered revolution. This isn't a distant dream. It's happening now, in 2026. Egypt, with its famously congested cities, is starting to see electric cars as a real solution, not just a trendy gadget. Imagine Cairo, 20 million people, and the loudest noise is the distant call to prayer, not a million misfiring engines. This is about health, the economy, and dragging Egypt's ancient cities into the 21st century. So, forget what you think you know. We're diving into Egypt's electrifying EV scene. To truly grasp Egypt's electric ambitions, you first have to understand the beating heart of the nation, Cairo. This city isn't just a capital, it's a living, breathing organism, pulsing with energy, history, and millions of dreams. Cairo is a sprawling, chaotic masterpiece, an urban jungle that's both inspiring and overwhelming. Its streets are alive with movement, commerce, and culture, but the very success that makes it vibrant is also suffocating it. The traffic here is legendary. Every day, millions of cars crawl through endless jams, creating a sea of petrol and diesel vehicles that stretches as far as the eye can see. For many, the daily commute is a test of patience and endurance. The air? It's thick with a gray haze, a cocktail of exhaust fumes, dust, and industrial pollution. On some days, the smog is so dense it blurs the city's famous skyline, making it hard to see the sun. Doctors across Cairo are sounding the alarm about rising respiratory illnesses. Children and the elderly are especially vulnerable, and the city's relentless energy is being stifled by the very air its people breathe. And then there's the noise, the relentless honking, the roar of engines, the screech of brakes. It's a constant, nerve-shredding din that never seems to let up day or night. Living in Cairo can feel like living inside a drum kit played by an angry octopus, chaotic, unpredictable, and exhausting. For many residents, peace and quiet are rare luxuries. The city keeps building new roads, hoping to ease the congestion. But every new lane fills up almost instantly, as if the city's appetite for cars is insatiable. More roads aren't the answer, they're just a temporary bandage on a much deeper wound. People are starting to demand real change. Protests for clean air and a healthier environment are growing louder. What Cairo needs isn't just a tweak to the system, it needs a revolution in how the city moves and breathes. Enter the electric car. This isn't just a new kind of vehicle, it's a new way of thinking about transportation, energy, and the future of urban life in Egypt. Electric cars are silent, clean, and potentially transformative. They glide through the city without adding to the noise or the pollution, offering a glimpse of what a healthier, quieter Cairo could look like. The stage is set for a new kind of hero, one that doesn't roar but hums quietly, powered by a simple plug. The electric car could be the catalyst for the change Cairo so desperately needs. Egypt's cities, and especially Cairo, are ready for a transformation. The question is, will they seize the moment and embrace a cleaner, brighter future? So, what makes electric cars so compelling for Egypt? The answer goes far beyond just being trendy or futuristic. Electric vehicles, or EVs, are at the heart of a global shift toward cleaner, smarter transportation, and Egypt is perfectly positioned to benefit from this revolution. First, let's talk about emissions. Electric cars produce zero tailpipe emissions, no nitrogen oxides, no particulates, and no carbon dioxide pouring into the air every time you drive. That means every EV on the road is a step toward cleaner air. In a city like Cairo, where traffic jams and air pollution are daily struggles, this is a game changer. Imagine the impact if thousands of cars stopped spewing exhaust into the city's already hazy skyline. Cleaner air means less smog, healthier people, and even cleaner buildings. It's not just about what you breathe. Less pollution means less grime on historic monuments and city facades, preserving Egypt's beauty for generations. And here's where it gets even better. Egypt is investing heavily in solar and wind energy. That means electric cars can run on sunshine and desert breezes, making them even greener. Imagine driving across the city, powered by the very sun that shines over the pyramids. Then there's the sound, or, more accurately, the lack of it. Electric cars are nearly silent at low speeds, gliding through city streets without the constant hum and roar of traditional engines. Imagine a Cairo where you can actually hear birdsong in the morning, where city life feels calmer and less chaotic. Quieter streets mean less stress and a better quality of life for everyone. And let's talk about running costs. Electricity is much cheaper than petrol, especially if you have solar panels at home. Charging your car overnight could cost just a fraction of what you'd spend at the pump. Maintenance is simpler too. With fewer moving parts, electric cars don't need oil changes or exhaust repairs. That means less time and money spent at the mechanic, and more time enjoying the drive. The benefits ripple outwards. The government spends less on fuel subsidies, and citizens save money on commuting. That's more money in everyone's pocket and less strain on the national budget. It's a win for families, a win for the environment, and a win for the national treasury. Everyone stands to gain. Electric cars offer a cleaner, quieter, and more affordable future for Egypt. They promise healthier cities, happier citizens, and a more sustainable tomorrow. What's not to love? With electric vehicles, Egypt's cities could be truly transformed, greener, cleaner, and ready for the future. Great ideas need a push, and Egypt's government is stepping up. They're slashing taxes and customs duties on EVs, making them more affordable. Direct subsidies and easier financing are on the table. Meanwhile, old polluting vehicles face stricter emission standards and are being phased out. Fuel subsidies are shrinking, making EVs even more attractive. The government is also rolling out a national charging network, partnering with private companies. Thousands of charging points are planned, with unified standards. This state-led push is giving both consumers and car companies confidence in Egypt's electric future. So, what can you actually buy in Egypt's EV market? For years, choices were almost non-existent, unless you were rich and adventurous. Now, global brands are arriving, offering real options. Compact SUVs and crossovers are leading the charge, practical for families and city driving. Chinese and Korean brands like MG, Hyundai, and BYD are investing heavily. These cars are affordable, packed with tech, and available in showrooms. The arrival of these models is creating a buzz. People are seeing EVs on the streets. Questions about range and charging are becoming everyday conversations. Electric cars are moving from theory to reality in Egypt. Let's take a closer look at the pioneers leading this charge. First up, the MG ZS EV, a British badge built in China, sold in Egypt. It's a compact SUV that's become one of the most visible EVs on Egyptian roads. The appeal? Value for money, decent space, good equipment, and over 250 km range. Plug it in overnight and you're set for a week's commute. Inside, it's modern. Touchscreen, digital dash, solid build quality, comfortable, quiet, and easy to drive. Perfect for Cairo's traffic jams.